here Brooks, the co-founder of Soul Liberia and the director of Soul Liberia Marketing Chapter, one of the three regions that Soul Liberia is currently operating in. Soul Liberia was established in 2004 with the aim and objective of uniting young people to train young people economically, financially to be part of our society. We have to train them to make them part of our society that they will live in and be welcome in our society. For Marketing Chapter, in which I reside, we train our young people from the various institutions, schools, and other groups. We go to school campus, we train them to be part of our society, make them strong economically, financially, to be part and parcel of this institution. And for what we decide to do that, we do that because we don't want for Liberia to be where it was like before. We train them because if our forefathers didn't train the young folks, this is what led us to this dream. But if we train them to be part and part of our society. And we do this because we want for Liberia to be one in this world. And with that, we can work together. And besides that, how I want to see Liberia, Liberia should be number one in the Republic of Liberia, which should be in the 5 electoral divisions of, the 15 counties of Liberia. We believe that the ills is not only in Margibi County or that of Mosuralo County, but in the Republic of Liberia. The dream here is for Liberia to be in the entire country and we can be able to move forward. So we are calling on our international partners to also help us in this endeavor, because it's not easy where we'll be able to empower young people to send them on the road and to be part of society. It's cost intensive and it's. Thank you very much.